Hello everyone. In this short session we're going to see how we can separate out people's names or any other bits of text that's bound up with other bits of text in a cell. So a very common thing here is you get a list of emails, as you can see here, and we want to get the first names and last names out of this list. So this could be a very tedious thing where you have to try and go through and type it all up. But Excel, of course, has a way to actually do this automatically. So it's a tool called the FlashFill tool. And first of all, we have to we get to an empty cell that's directly beside the cell that needs to be split. And then we just type in what we want. So in this case, we want to get the first name, which is Nancy, out of here. So we have to give Excel some idea as to what it is. So Nancy, that's Nancy there. So, and then I'll just go AN, and notice as I type here, the Excel now is highlighting these last, so it's sort of identifying that Andy is here, it's a first name, and it's sort of saying, look, is this what we want? Andy, Jan, Miria, Yvonne. And actually it is. So once I can see that, and it's all accurate, I just hit the Enter key. And it automatically fills. That column could be 100 rows long and it would be filled just as quickly. So it's a very quick and very accurate way of doing this. Another way of doing this very quickly would be for Smith here. Now I want to get the surnames. So here I just click on Smith and I go Fill and Flash Fill, and that does the same job as well. So once I had one down, if I cleared these ones here, fill, flash fill, that works just as well. So two different methods to do that flash fill. A very, very useful tool and you know, used quite a lot, sort of thing that happens very often. So good luck practicing that, and I'll see you next session.